Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Danielle here, and today's video is a little risky, is super exciting too. So just about every day I do get DMs on Instagram and Depop from you guys telling me that you used to be a reseller or you just like collect a crap ton of clothes and now you need to get rid of it. And I usually am your first point of contact, which thank you so much. I'm so grateful because y'all know I always need inventory for mystery bundles. I try to be really selective and choose buyers that do have more of a 90s Y2K style, just because obviously it best reflects my style and my Depop inventory. And so I had Scarlett from RUTH reach out to me because she's moving and she does need to just clear out her inventory. She did send me an image, I'll put it here on the screen, and I was like, okay, you know what? I'm digging the colors. I do see a few lingerie pieces there. She did specify that she had Y2K 90s pieces, so I was like, okay, I'll take it. She was pretty negotiable with the price, but because I'm also moving and I still have a few more days at my old apartment, I didn't want to bring too much. So I told her I'd buy $100 worth. And so I got the box here. It is a heavy boy, let me tell you that. And the day that I bought this, Depop was actually offering free shipping. So I was just like, yes, score, because this would have easily been $14 shipping. Ah! But y'all know how this works. I want to take you through her Depop to show you individual listings just so that we get the whole vibe of her Depop. So let me scooch on over and then we'll pull it up right here. So she is Honey Ruth on Depop, and immediately I'm seeing a lot of neutral colors and a lot of sweaters. Right now I'm seeing more vintage and like granny chic, which, you know, it's okay. It's pretty cute. Not necessarily my style. But let's see, we have a lot of maxi skirts. That this one here is giving me definitely bohemian styles with the all over print. Yeah, you guys, she really doesn't have much listed, but if there's anything that you like, go ahead, hit her up. And also her pricing is not bad. We're looking at $10, $12 for this floral skirt. We do have a few bottoms here. She does have cargos for 20 bucks. That's not bad at all. She does have a little flare jean here for $15. That is so freaking good. And then just looking at her sold pieces, I do see a lot of like grandpa sweaters, little knit cardigans that are giving me more, again, granny chic, cottagecore type vibe. Okay, but let's go ahead and just get open this box. Let's get this opened up. Even though she did send over an image, I really don't know what is inside the box. I told her to just keep it a mystery, but she did say, again, 90s Y2K, and that she had a lot of lingerie, little slips, corset type pieces. So that's also what I'm expecting, but you know what? I'm pretty much open to anything as long as it's cute. But let's see. Oh my gosh, yeah, off the bat, I'm loving these colors. Here, I'll give you guys a little peek. Ooh, you guys. Yes, look at the pink and the white. Okay, let's just open this up real quick. Cute little butterfly sticker here. I'm pretty sure this just might be a thank you. No, it is. Super sweet. Thank you so much for purchasing and supporting sustainability. I hope you love everything. XOXO Scarlett. Love that. Thank you so much, Scarlett. Okay, wow, guys, we have so many little gems here. Let's see if I can do it with the box on my lap, but let's pull this one out here. Ooh, you guys, this is so cute. It's Victoria's Secret. It's a size small. It might fit me. You guys, look at this top. It's a sheer floral lace bodice here and a satin little peplum. And the front does have a button closure. Ooh, this is super cute. Loving that. Okay, we have another little white piece here. Oh, is this like an off-the-shoulder type shirt? This is definitely more my sister's cup of tea. She's definitely into this style. But it does have a smocked waist, a ruffle and lace detail. Not necessarily my cup of tea, but it's so cute. Okay, let's pull out a pink piece. Yes, love this. A pink little bra. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. It's another little Victoria's Secret. Oh yeah, I definitely want to include these in mystery bundles. This is gonna be so freaking cute. And okay, I love that these cups are so tiny. Yes. For all my little A-cup babies out there, these type of tops are perfect for us. And then we have a little front vent here that's super flirty. Kind of reminds me of this top that I have here. Yes. Okay, I'm into this. And the color, my favorite color, love it. The next piece is a little yellow piece here. Looks like this is a little vintage brand called Josie. Oh, and just the yellow slip. You gotta be kidding me. You guys, look at this slip. It has cute, delicate floral embroidery on the front. Oh, that is just so precious. I'm usually not a fan of yellow because I don't think it complements my skin very well, but this is just adorable. Let me bring you in closer so you can see these flowers. Oh my gosh, so freaking cute. Okay, we've been doing a lot of light colored pieces, so let's pick up a dark one. Ooh, this is the brand XOXO. Girl, these are so freaking cute. Okay, so it is an all over leopard print with a little flare leg. So in one of my previous mystery bundles, Tiffany on YouTube actually gave me some XOXO jeans that are a zebra print that I literally wear at least once a week. So yes, I love these. And it says that they do have some stretch. You guys, brand new with tags. What the heck? Look at this color. I know green is totally coming back. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking adorable. Look at this little cami with a lace trim. This like satin silky construction. Oh, and it's actually Old Navy. Okay, you guys know, I used to work at Old Navy and it was such a nightmare. For anyone who's ever worked retail or just like Old Navy in general, it was like the first week that you work there, they make you approach customers out on the sales floor and try to persuade them to open up an Old Navy credit card. It was the worst, I hated it. But love this, it's a size large. Oh yeah, this is super cute. And then if I bring you in closer, it does have a little bit of pin tuck detailing on the sides. And my favorite part is that the back has a waist tie closure, yes. Okay, so let's open up this hot pink one. This color combo is so freaking cute. Let's see, what are you? Boston Proper, it's a size 8, and it's this cute little sleeveless dress. Kind of reminds me of like something that Jennifer Garner would have wore in 13 Going on 30. It does have a lot of seam detailing right here on the front, so ooh, yeah, it's gonna look super flattering on the body. Let's pull this blue one here. Ooh, what are you? This is Studio Y in a size small. Ooh, this is super cute. Personally for me, I don't like surplus necks just because the girls are small and usually it just makes my bust look a little funny. So we do have this little contrast ribbon detail on the front and then a little bit of lace detailing. I love the lettuce edge trim on the sleeves, on the hem, and it's also mesh. Look you guys. Yes, I love this. Okay, let's see what's next. We have a lot of these like pale pink colors. Oh, is this a set? Maybe I should open these together. So this is the brand Beau Bois. Oh my gosh, do not tell me this is a two-piece set. This is freaking adorable. What size are you? Please be a size small. I think it might fit me. Okay, so we have, again, more lace construction. Very flirty with the ruche detailing here on the front. Has little spaghetti straps that are adjustable. And then, oh my gosh. Scarlett, is all of this thrifted? Because, girl, let me go thrifting with you. These are so cute. And so this is the second part to the two-piece set. And it does have an elasticized waistband. And we have cute little bow details here on the side. Too bad it is in mini length, but I'm sure you can just like take scissors to it and just chop it off. But yes, love this two-piece set. Okay, we ran into another darker color here. We've got this olive green. So this is Zeno and Judy City. It's a size medium. Oh, this is super cute. Kind of gives me utility vibes. It's a very high waist. And then the really funky part is at the back has these really exaggerated zip closures here, or like the hardware. Doesn't it almost look like little shark teeth? Well, not little, but big shark teeth. Okay, and it does have contrast stitching, so that's pretty cool. Let me bring you in closer so you can see that. Yeah, not bad. Love this color. We're seeing a lot more prints. Oh, something that's a little bit darker, and I see leopard prints, so I kind of want to pull that out. Another little Victoria's Secret. And this is size large, and it looks like this might be a tunic. Ooh, this is a very pretty plum color. Has a round neck, front button closure. It also has long sleeves. Ooh, this is cute. You could just belt it at the waist with some nylons and some boots. A little Guess moment here. Might be like a little t-shirt or baby tee. So this is a size extra large. It's Guess jeans. It just has a foil Guess logo on the front. Okay, you guys, we are into another print here. We've got neutrals, we've got pink, and then, oh, it's a dress. So this is the brand Ruby Rocks. It's a size large. I love how a lot of these pieces have similar details in them. So we are seeing a lot of lace, a lot of ruche detailing, and a lot of prints. And neutrals are totally in right now. So this little dress, yes, is perfect for someone to be wearing right now. And let's see. Okay, I really wanted to open this one up just because it is textured. It's not, what is this, like a fleece fabric? But it has a leopard print. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Please fit me. It's a size medium. If this fits me, I'm gonna keep it, you guys. I have been wanting a little mini skirt like this for so long. It's also soft and textured. But this is the brand Street Code. It's made in USA. A little mini skirt. Yes, this is so freaking cute. You guys, I don't know how many times I've said the word cute, but okay. Better descriptive words, Danielle, get out of that. But it does have an all over print. I wish you guys can touch this through the screen because it's so freaking soft. So it looks like we ran into another midi skirt here. You can easily pair this with like a white baby tee and then some mules. And this is a brand Exhilaration. That's Target, right? It's also a size extra large, so super appreciative that she included a range of sizes. But we have an all over floral print. The cute little lace hem. Oh yeah, love it. Next up, we do have a little wild print here, more leopard, and this is a brand Nicola. It's a size medium. It's a little plissé constructed sheer cardigan with ruffle detailing. This crazy all over print, so it does have flowers and then a leopard print. But we have the front tie closure, and then the cuffs are vented at the sleeve, so yes, looks super feminine. And then this print, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really into. Do you guys see this? But it's black and pink. So it's Kenneth Cole, New York. It's a size small and it's 100% silk. But again, another little surplus neck here. We've got ruche detailing here on the sides. But I will admit, I love that it is mesh. You guys, look at that, it is slightly see-through. Yes, here for it. So these pieces to me always make really good layering pieces. Okay guys, we're literally at the bottom layer of the box here. And now that I'm looking at everything, I'm pretty sure she organized the box by color. So the top we had really like pretty delicate pastels. And in the middle we were moving more into like darker printed colors. And now we are at like solid black. So let's pull this first piece here. And oh yeah, I've actually thrifted a few pieces that look just like this, but they're usually printed. But we have this little satin top here with a ruche bust. These were super popular in my last round of mystery bundles, so I'm glad that we ran into a solid black color here. And oh, does this have an asymmetrical hem? Oh, that is so cute. Do you guys see that? And in the back does have a little waist tie, so you can cinch in your waist as much as you need. And then I see something with eyelets, so this is exciting. Ooh, you guys, I love Fredericks of Hollywood. I think this brand is absolutely adorable. The other day when I went thrifting, Fredericks of Hollywood, I guess, dropped off a whole bunch of sample corsets. So I got my hands on so many cool printed corsets by Fredericks of Hollywood. So, oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. It's such a shame it's an extra large though, because I would have definitely wanted this. I love anything that's asymmetrical, one shoulder. I know it is a little simple, but the silhouette, the eyelets, it just adds a little bit of spice. Okay, I do see rib knit construction here. What do we have? We have pout. Okay, just a little rib knit top, just black. A scoop neck, nothing too major about this. Easy casual styling with that. And then, oh my gosh, she did include a denim, so we'll leave that for last. But let's see, I see something with very thin straps. Is this a little halter neck? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Again, it's a size large and it's the brand Derek Hart. Can you guys see that? Okay, so the front does have a little keyhole cutout, and then these straps are like micro spaghetti straps. And it does have plenty of stretch to it too, so it's gonna be super comfy. Oh my god, but pairing these with like a bold, printed, colorful bottom, heck yes, super into that. And then you guys, we hit the very bottom of the box here. We are done with that. She actually included some denim that is absolutely crazy. And again, brand new with tags. What the heck? And it is baby fat. It's a size 7. Let's see, what are you? Oh, these are super, super cool. So just a classic pair of vintage wash pants. They are with the brand Baby Fat. They do have, I want to say it's a slight flare leg. And it does have fading all throughout. The little cat logo here on the back pocket. Oh yeah, these are super cool. I wonder if they're gonna fit me. Maybe. But you guys, that pretty much does it for the end of this $100 mystery bundle from you guys, the subscriber. So continue sending me DMs if you do have inventory that you want me to buy off you. I am nearly moved into my new place, so eventually I'm gonna have to start filling up these clothes racks. But if you liked any of the pieces, let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. and join the Eggy family. Huge thanks to Scarlett for reaching out to me so that I was able to get this bundle off her hands. You know, I would highly suggest, Scarlett, if you're listening and watching, that you do reseller mystery bundles or just like bundles in general, because girl, you nailed my style. I absolutely loved every single piece. Loved it. And I also really appreciate that even though I did ask for like Y2K 90s, you included different styles within that era, but also that you included a variety of sizes, because it's super important to be size inclusive when I'm doing my mystery bundle. So super appreciative for everything. Thank you so much. If you want to go support Scarlett, go hit her up on Depop. She is at Honey Ruth right here. But as always, I post videos twice a week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!